So in this video I want to show you how you can copy whole sections of a module from one module to another if you have the editing access. So first, when you're in a model from which you want to copy some sections over to a different module, you turn on the editing. So you will see this if you are enrolled in this module with the appropriate permissions, so that you can actually edit and copy elements. So then you would turn editing on. Then this changes a little bit the view here, because you can do different things. And when you click on this, you will see various blocks, and one block that will also appear when you're in editing mode is the sharing card. It might not appear yet in all courses. You can just easily also edit, well, not in this one, but the sharing card is basically an ability for you to copy sections of a course and then go to a different course, and then the same copied sections will still be in your card, and then you can copy it over into a different module. So let's say I want to copy a section from this course. So I click on copy section after I've chosen it, and I confirm. So then you will see it is then showing in your card like this. You can also just delete it, and you could copy it, but we don't want to copy it into this course, but into a different one. For example, if we have our sandbox, we can then copy it in here by turning on editing again. Now we see here that in the course blocks the sharing card does not appear yet. So this might be the case in some courses, but as I said, you can easily add a new block. There's many different kinds of blocks you can add, which might be helpful to have in a module, but in this case we want to add the sharing card. And so there it is. And you already see in there that in the card there is the section that we just copied. And so we want to now move this and copy it into this module here. So we now click on the copying, copy to course. And then what happens is that now in here appear several sections where you can drop this in. So let's say I want to put it after this tile. And now you can also have some options here. Do you want to keep the current name and so on, or do you want to overwrite everything? Whatever you want to do. Continue, and then here is then the whole section, which includes all the activities that were in the previous sections, and you can continue to work with this.